Today, I'm cooking a German style pancake, which is also called Dutch baby. For this, all we need egg, sugar, milk, pinch of cinnamon powder, vanilla essence, and all purpose flour. Mix it all together until nice and creamy texture. Preheat the oven on 180 degree and also preheat the cast iron pan. On the heated pan, apply butter nicely and pour the batter in center. Bake it for 20 minutes and make sure it looks brown on top. For topping, you can use any fruit of your choice. It's a very simple and easy recipe for breakfast. Enjoy.